A finger.
Oh. How do you know? Emma, no, you're not.
Paige! Remember I used this?
I don't know. Why don't you let Paige try?
Trying to cut the door off. So we can have
Babe, what
chocolate.
are you eating?
Hot. You're like that.
Come on. Why is this not? Here, do you want another part of the candy?
Uh-huh.
How
How about we try to cut some of the roof off?
Got the candy for someone?
Yeah!
No, Emma, do
Try
not.
to cut some of the roof off.
Okay.
Oh, good! You can't get in it. This is good.
You can get the icing that falls on the floor. You guys can get the icing that falls on the floor.
What?
Right here?
Here, Ben, I'll twist this.
And we can get candies.
No, I'll need this stuff on the floor, Emma.
Like the candies one. That's
Ben, get the candies on the floor if you want to.
How is it?
Good.
You guys make a pretty good gingerbread house?
well, it's too hard.
Yeah, but it's sort of fun to it. Can we just break the whole entire roof off?
Sure, why not?
Break it!
Ben, no. Here, let's use our hands for the roof.
Emma, wow, that was really tough.
Here, I'll do it.
Stop.
No,